Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today, let's make clay pot tofu with shrimp. This recipe is very easy to make and delicious. Now, I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount and the brand I use are in the description box.
Start by cutting the root of the Enoki Mushroom and cleaning it. Then let's peel the shrimp. I'm using Tbsp shrimp. Now split the white part of the green onion and slice the green part thinly. Cut the Nappa in quarters. Then cut each part of tofu into 6 pieces. Now cut the garlic to peel and mix it. Now let's make the sauce. Add salt, light soy sauce, chicken powder, oyster sauce, and water. Mix everything together. Let's heat up the frying oil. Now use bamboo chopstick to test if the oil is hot enough. If the chopstick is bubbling, then the oil is hot. Add the tofu in to fry. Make sure to lightly move the tofu to fry evenly. After frying for a couple of minutes, flip it over. When the tofu is golden brown, take it out. Use the same wok to cook the garlic to release the fragrance. Now add the garlic into the sauce. Let's assemble everything into the clay pot. Add the white part of the green onions, Nappa cabbage, Enoki mushroom, tofu. Let's off the water, and shrimp. Spread the sauce evenly into the clay pot. Cover it and bring to a boil on medium heat for 5 minutes. Now add some Shaohsing cooking wine. I just let it drip to the lid. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now remove the lid and add some sesame oil. Now remove from the heat and it's done. Add the green onion as garlic.
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test. I'm ready to try. Ooh, look at that! It's very big bite. So delicious. The shrimp is tender. Enoki mushroom is crunchy. Tofu is very soft. It's very good. It is savory And you can taste a hint of sesame oil. The green onion on the top adds a good flavor. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。